Guys, back in another video. Today I'm going to be doing a bunch of stuff with this airplane thing. Let's just get this thing out of the way. Oh, that got some distance. No, it didn't. But, oh, sheesh. Okay, so, gonna be doing a bunch of stuff with that. And yeah, let's get right into it. Oh, and realize anything new? Nah, there ain't nothing new about me. I'm tripping. Like, nothing new about me, right? It's totally, like, my hair is, like, the same, like. Shut up, you dumb light. What's up, guys? Here, how about I turn on my LEDs so you can actually see like this, and you can see what the back of my hair looks like, just like that. Here, just in case people can't handle bright stuff like this. Colors people don't like, we'll just change it to cyan. So let's get right into it. I got a perm, and let's get right into it for the third time. Sorry about that transition. Now let's get right into it. Okay, so that was a really good transition. But here's the plane so far. Jeez, it's still going. Let me go over to that thing. For sake, it didn't even throw it. This room's not even that big. Tricked you guys. And if you're wondering why I'm wearing the same shirt as my Fun with Dogs video, yes, I do change, but I just like this shirt, so I changed a lot, but then I went back to the shirt and then thought of this video. So yes, I changed. Here, let's just throw this for a test. And 3, 2, 1. We gotta get better at that. Just a round of applause for me. So, hey, Connor, don't eat that. That's a very, very expensive airplane. Totally. This is the most expensive thing you'll ever see in your life. Like, oh, so expensive, right, guys? This is the most expensive thing ever. Yeah. So 3, 2, 1. Oh my boy, that was. Oh, don't. Leonard just wants to love me. Do you want to do a part 2 of Fun with Dogs? Comment down below if you even can. Comment down below if you want me to do a second video of the Fun with Dogs. Okay, let's do this. Maybe the perm is giving me bad luck for like throwing this, cause like I just got the perm today, so like, yeah. Here, what if I hold it and, ooh, that was pretty good. That was pretty good. That was pretty good. That was pretty good. So, guys, guess what? That was pretty good. Okay, I'm never making that face again. Oh, and by the way, I'm just gonna try to see if YouTube just makes the thumbnail this. YouTube, please make that the thumbnail. I will be so happy if you make that the thumbnail, YouTube. Yes. Thumbnail right now. Maybe I can find out how to edit to make that my thumbnail. Okay, back to the point. I am so sorry about that. Let's just. Pretty good. That was still pretty good. not normal. I am not normal at all. So, I'm kind of getting bored of this Aether song, aren't you guys? Let's play a different song. Okay, so I'm back. I'm back. Back. That sounded really bad. Let's try to do the best throw I can. I practiced off camera when I just turned off the camera. So let's try. And I practice a lot. Some of the times I did that. Don't. Yeah, just don't. I would appreciate if you didn't. Like, this is probably one of the worst titles I've ever had for a video, like paper airplane throwing. Like, it's kind of self-explanatory. Oh, how much do you bet the thumbnail is either gonna be this or me throwing it like when it's in the air? That'd be kind of cool. Like this. I hit my toe. I'm so sorry. Oh, I didn't need to do that. I feel so bad. You know what? I'm gonna hit the camera for a cool cut. Okay, and oh wow. How'd that work? Wow. Now we have a better space to throw like this. You know what? Let's get a door slamming sound for that. Yeah, great. Thanks for the door slamming sound. You know what? Walk by the table. Nah. Who does that? Who walks by the table? Not me. What are you doing, Teja? What's up, Teja? I got my doggies with me. Hey, this isn't the Fun with Dogs video. Why couldn't you be just hyper on the Fun with Dogs video? Like, what's up with that? You know what? Put a thumbs down in the comments for that. Like, what kind of crap is that? Like, yeah, what kind of crap is that? I'm sorry about that pause. Like, should we get another round of applause for me? No, I don't even think I deserve it. You know what? Who cares? Nah, I don't deserve a round of applause. So, I just want a small video, so that's it. You get the gist of it, just throwing this. You know what? Let's have some more fun. Guys, trust me. Just trust me. Yeah. So, we'll do a part 2 of this. I haven't really planned this video out, but okay. You guys know what I'm about to do. I'm gonna do the peace thing. Actually, now I don't feel like it.